The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 has always carried an unmistakable reputation in the pickup world. Known for its rugged strength, reliability, and wide-ranging versatility, it has been one of the cornerstones of the American truck market for decades. But with the 2026 Silverado 1500, Chevrolet is preparing to do more than just refine the formula. It wants to redefine it. Competition in the pickup segment is more intense than ever. Rivals like the Ford F-150, Ram 1500, Toyota Tundra, and even newcomers in the electric space have raised the bar. Buyers today don't just want brute strength. They expect comfort, advanced technology, fuel efficiency, and off-road capabilities that rival purpose-built adventure vehicles. Against this backdrop, Chevrolet faces an enormous challenge: delivering a truck that remains true to the Silverado's rugged DNA, while also leaping forward into a new era of performance and innovation. Industry insiders say that Chevrolet isn't just updating the Silverado, it's reinventing it. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the 2026 Silverado 1500 such a monumental release, from its redesigned powertrain lineup and cutting-edge technology to its improved design, interior refinements, and role in the ever-evolving truck market. A competitive market like never before. Trucks have evolved dramatically in the past 20 years. Once seen primarily as workhorses, today's pickups double as luxury cruisers, family haulers, adventure rigs, and high-tech offices on wheels. According to automotive analyst Mark Sutton, the expectations placed on trucks today are higher than ever before. Buyers want their vehicles to do it all: haul heavy loads during the week, take the family camping on the weekend, and still provide comfort, technology, and safety that rival luxury SUVs. That's where the Silverado 1500 finds itself in 2026, squarely in the middle of this battle for dominance. Ford's F-150 has set the tone with hybrid options and the all-electric Lightning. Ram has leaned heavily on refinement, with interiors and ride comfort that often outshine the competition. Toyota, meanwhile, has introduced turbocharged engines and hybrid systems in the Tundra. For Chevrolet, the answer lies in carefully balancing tradition with innovation. The Silverado can't afford to abandon its hardworking roots, but it also can't ignore the modern buyer's expectations. The 2026 model aims to strike that balance in a way that no Silverado has before. Powertrain revolution. Engines reimagined. The biggest news with the 2026 Silverado 1500 is its revamped engine lineup. For years, Chevrolet has leaned on tried-and-true V8s and efficient turbocharged options, but the new model takes a bold leap forward. More power, more efficiency. Chevy has reportedly reworked its entire engine family, with an emphasis on pairing performance with fuel economy. The highlight is a new high-output turbocharged engine that delivers both raw horsepower and improved efficiency. Automotive journalist Laura Grayson notes, Chevrolet isn't just chasing numbers here. They're aiming to create an engine that feels powerful in real-world conditions, whether you're towing up a mountain pass or merging onto the freeway. Expect a V8 option to remain available, satisfying traditionalists who want the unmistakable sound and torque of a big engine. However, hybridization is also rumored to play a larger role, following the industry trend toward electrification. While Chevy hasn't confirmed a fully electric Silverado 1500 yet for 2026, experts believe the powertrain advancements seen in this model will pave the way for future electrified versions. Towing and hauling improvements. Performance upgrades aren't just about speed. The Silverado's towing and payload capacities are expected to increase thanks to stronger engine options and improved chassis engineering. Chevrolet understands that a Silverado must remain a dependable workhorse first and foremost. According to truck engineer Alex Rivera, Chevy's approach with the 2026 Silverado is about usable performance. They know that torque delivery is just as important as peak horsepower, especially for towing and off-road driving. Design evolution, tough meets modern. Chevy has also reimagined the Silverado's design language. The 2026 model doesn't completely abandon its rugged character, but it introduces a more refined, aerodynamic silhouette. Exterior refinements. The front fascia has been smoothed for better airflow, while still maintaining the bold grille and muscular lines Silverado fans love. Aerodynamic tweaks aren't just for looks. They directly improve fuel efficiency and reduce wind noise. Headlight and taillight designs have been modernized, with sleeker LED units that give the truck a high-tech look. Truck market expert Dana Fletcher observes, "Design matters more than ever in this segment. Buyers want their truck to make a statement, but they also expect that design to serve a purpose." Chevy has struck a balance here, blending aggression with sophistication. Interior upgrade. Inside, the Silverado 1500 sees perhaps the most dramatic changes. Past criticism of Silverado interiors, often viewed as functional but less luxurious than Ford's or Ram's, has clearly been addressed. The 2026 cabin offers premium materials, improved ergonomics, and more space for both passengers and cargo. A larger infotainment screen takes center stage, complemented by an intuitive digital gauge cluster. Wireless smartphone integration, advanced voice commands, and seamless connectivity make the truck feel like a tech hub on wheels. Interior designer Emily Carter, who has worked on multiple OEM projects, says, "Chevrolet clearly listened to customer feedback." The 2026 Silverado interior feels modern and upscale without being pretentious. It's still a truck interior, but one that respects how people live and work today. Off-road capability, a Silverado ready for adventure. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Silverado is its enhanced off-road capability. Chevrolet has invested heavily in upgrading suspension systems, four-wheel drive technology, and trail-ready features. A re-engineered suspension promises greater articulation and smoother handling on rough terrain. Paired with advanced drive modes and locking differentials, the Silverado now competes head-to-head with off-road kings like the Ford Raptor and Ram TRX, albeit with a Chevy flavor that emphasizes durability and usability. Truck reviewer Mike Hollins highlights, Chevrolet has stepped up its off-road game. This isn't just an appearance package with big tires, it's a fundamentally improved system that makes the Silverado a true off-road performer. Technology at the forefront. Technology is no longer optional in trucks, it's expected. With the 2026 Silverado, Chevy is doubling down on tech that enhances safety, convenience, and entertainment. Infotainment and connectivity. The centerpiece is a redesigned infotainment system with a clearer, faster, and more user-friendly interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration comes standard, and Chevy has improved voice recognition to make hands-free control more intuitive. Owners will also benefit from over-the-air software updates, ensuring that the system stays current without requiring dealership visits. Safety innovations. On the safety front, the Silverado now includes advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even semi-autonomous driving features for highway cruising. Automotive safety analyst Rachel Kim remarks, Chevrolet has made safety a priority in the 2026 Silverado. These aren't just bells and whistles, they're meaningful systems that reduce fatigue and prevent accidents. Driving experience, power meets refinement. Perhaps the most impressive part of the 2026 Silverado 1500 is how it feels behind the wheel. Test drivers report a truck that feels both powerful and composed, whether loaded down with cargo or cruising on the highway. The reimagined engines provide instant torque and smoother acceleration. Steering feels tighter, while ride comfort has been improved thanks to suspension refinements. This makes the Silverado as comfortable on long road trips as it is capable on job sites. Truck enthusiast and longtime Chevy owner Rob McKay says, "It used to be that you bought a Silverado for durability, not comfort. The 2026 model gives you both. It still feels like a truck, but a truck that's easier to live with every day." Expert insights. Why the 2026 Silverado matters. Experts agree that the 2026 Silverado 1500 isn't just another refresh, it's a pivotal model for Chevrolet. Market strategy. Chevy needs the Silverado to perform well to maintain its strong presence in the highly profitable truck market. Technology leap. By integrating advanced infotainment and safety systems, Chevy positions itself as forward-thinking, appealing to younger and tech-savvy buyers. Performance balance. The new engines demonstrate that Chevrolet understands the need for both excitement and practicality. design and comfort. By addressing past criticisms of its interior and design, Chevy strengthens the Silverado's all-around appeal. Automotive analyst Chris Donnelly summarizes, "The 2026 Silverado 1500 is Chevrolet's statement piece. It's saying to the market, we can innovate, we can refine, and we can still deliver the tough truck you expect from us." The bigger picture, impact on the truck market. The release of the 2026 Silverado has ripple effects beyond Chevrolet. It raises the bar for competitors, forcing Ford, Ram, Toyota, and others to respond. In a market where loyalty runs deep, but innovation is essential, every advancement matters. Truck buyers stand to benefit the most. With the Silverado upping its game, rivals will continue to push harder, resulting in trucks that are safer, more powerful, and more enjoyable to own. Final thoughts. Should you buy the 2026 Silverado 1500? The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is more than just an update. It's a redefinition of what a modern pickup can be. It blends the ruggedness and reliability that Silverado fans have always loved with cutting-edge technology, enhanced performance, and refined comfort. Whether you need a dependable workhorse, an adventure partner, or a comfortable daily driver, the Silverado offers a compelling package. Chevy has listened to feedback, studied the competition, and delivered a truck that feels ready for the future. As always, the final decision comes down to individual needs. But one thing is clear. The 2026 Silverado 1500 isn't just keeping up, it's setting the pace.